Hey, it's Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now today I'm reviewing Push Connect Notify. It's a software that's going to allow you to promote push notifications and build a subscriber list not only through emails, but also it'll gather you a push notification subscriber list. So it's a two-in-one software. It gives you the ability to send autoresponder push notify sequences to your subscribers and also the ability to send out broadcasts very easily through the software as well. So this is the software right here. Now let me show you a demonstration quickly of first of all what happens once you've set up what's called a campaign, and we're going to set up a campaign in just a moment ourselves. First, it pops up with this here when we visit the website. This is a demo setting. Click Allow button now. Now when I click this, what it's going to do is it's going to add me to that push notification list. I click Allow, and this is what your subscribers would do on your website as well. And what it's going to do now is it's going to say click Allow to let this website send you push notifications. I click Allow, and then it provides me an email. Okay, it says, hey, would you like to subscribe as well? I can enter in my details and I can be subscribed to this list as well. So what you're doing in adding one of these to your website, and it can be added to any website wherever it pops over the page, is you can generate a push notification subscriber when someone signs up and an actual subscriber. So you can use this as an opt-in in itself, which is really useful, and I haven't seen that in other push notification softwares that are out there. So when you get into the software itself, the first thing you'll want to do is go to campaigns. You'll see campaigns and push letters. Now campaigns in itself is basically the ability to run a campaign, have people join as a subscriber of yours, and push letters are messages you send out. You can also go ahead and integrate your list, your autoresponder into the software, and that's another thing you should do. So go over to autoresponders, click on connect your account, and you'll be able to choose from many of the different autoresponders that are here. Now me personally, I'm using Aweber, so I'm going to connect my account with Aweber. I click on connect to Aweber. It's going to very easily authorize me. I just need to click allow access, and what it's going to do is it's going to immediately allow me access to capture people who join as a subscriber into the subscriber list that I have. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to campaigns now that my autoresponder is connected, and it's going to ask me to connect new account. I've connected. When connection is complete, please reload this page to view autoresponders. Okay, let's just reload this first before we move on and make sure that this has gone correctly. Here it is. It's got my account here, so I can now generate leads, capture leads inside my Aweber account, which is what we wanted. So let's go across to campaigns. We're going to go create new campaign. We're going to add in our product name now. In this case, this product is called Push Connect Notify. So let's create one for the page here. Click proceed. It says no spaces allowed, so we're just going to close up the gaps here, close up the gaps here, and click proceed. Campaign name already exists, choose another, we'll call it 123. It needs to be unique, that's one of the reasons it said no to me. And then we're down to the campaign creation menu here. Now, there's a very easy to watch tutorial here. It goes through the whole process that I'm going through now. Really easy when you're going through the software to understand it. Now we've put in our name, so backersbonus.com. Alright, we might be creating one for my bonus page. We can put in a thank you URL as well. This is optional, it's totally optional, you don't need to do it. And then you've got permission box delay as well. Now I'm just going to put this on connect notify. Okay, so that's the URL that I'll be using, that's the domain name, and it says don't put in HTTPS, just put in HTTP. We can put in a thank you page, that's optional, that's where people will be redirected to after subscribing. For me, it might be, I might just take people back to the homepage. Alright, so we're going to do permission box is delay is optional, so we can choose to delay it if we want to. I'm going to delay it 2 seconds, and we can choose to capture an email address. Now to capture an email address, it's easy. Now that we've set up our autoresponder, we select our autoresponder, we add the list that we would want someone to be added to. We'll just add it to a random list here today, and then we put in final step, enter your email address. Yep, which is correct. Final step, please enter your email address, and that's what people are going to see. Now we've almost finished with everything. On the right hand side, we can now adjust how this looks and what this says. This website wants to send you push notifications. Okay, so we could say join my push notifications list. Click the allow button to get them. We can also edit the image. We can either choose an icon or upload our own icon. In this case, I'm going to choose an icon. And we can also change the badge as well. So I can go down here, I can choose to change my badge, which is basically the badge is when notifications are sent out. This is the icon that pops up when the notification is sent out. So me, I like coffee. I might put coffee as my popover. Once you're done, click Save Changes, and we've now completed the setup for our push notifications. Really easy, and it looks quite good as well. We can actually, it's really handy having a preview here of this as we go through it. When you're ready, go back to campaigns, and we can see the campaign details by clicking on this link and saying View Details. Now, that's going to reveal to us how the campaign is going, how many people have subscribed, and so on. What we want now is we want the embed code. So we click Embed Code here, and we grab this code right here. All we need to do with this code right here is, as it says, copy and paste the code below, right before the closing body tag on your website to start getting subscribers. So that's what we'll do. We're going to go across, and I'll add this into my page right now. Now, to add this into my page, for now I'm going to do an example of this in OptimizePress. The reason is that I'm using OptimizePress for my website, so it makes sense to do that. All I need to do is go to Page Settings over here, and you'll be able to do this in your own site builder, and go Other Scripts, and basically enter it into where the body is. So this is where the body is. I enter it in here. I enter my script in here. That's all you need to do, and you could do this in the HTML code if it's an HTML website. You could do this in, ClickFunnels. All of the site builders will work to do this. Then after that, click Update, and then go ahead and click Save. Now we've clicked Save. Let's refresh and have a look at our pop-up, see if it works. So we're going to our website as a user would be. We're now looking at our website, a visitor might be here, and then as you can see it says join my push notification list. Click the allow button below to get them. Click allow, it's then redirecting us, it's saying hey, click allow to get this website notification. Click allow, and then you can enter in your email address to be added to the subscriber list. Now I've already been added to my subscriber list, I believe, the one that I added, but we'll add it anyway. All done, we're closing this pop-up now. Cool. Done, and it's automatically redirected me to the home page of Backers bonuses. So really, really cool. This is a software that makes it really easy to set up these campaigns. So let's have a look at what it does when we set up push letters. Now, push letters are messages that go out to people, whether they've subscribed right away or whether they've subscribed later. To send a push letter, we click Send New Push Letter. We go into our setup here, and once again, it's a really easy to read dashboard. It has the preview there. It has everything we possibly need to start the preview. So again, I can put in an image associate an image with my text. I can edit the text as well, a real catchy title. We have to edit it here, we can't edit it in here. So we add in, say for example, get access to push connect notify today. And then we can say early bird special on from 9 a.m. EST. All right, and then we put in our website here, which is backersbonus.com/push connect notify. We've done that. Now we're going to go and who should get this? We're going to send it to our campaign list. This is really important. As you set up more recipients, as you set up more lists, you'll have more campaigns to select from. You can send it to one or multiple campaigns. Exclusions, you can choose exclusions. I've only got one campaign set up right now, so I can't exclude that campaign because I've already said that I'm going to send messages to it. And then we can repeat the sending multiple times if we wanted to. Now in this case, we could repeat the sending set if someone doesn't receive it. We can choose to schedule this message in, or we can choose to send it immediately. In this case, if I was scheduling it in, I'd put the date in here. In this case, I'm going to schedule it now so I can show you a preview of what this looks like. Once you're finished, click All Done. Then you're complete. Okay, we've sent out a message, and now what it should be doing is sending out a notification to our browser. Okay, so here you go. These are the two notifications that have been sent. I went through and tried it out once more. The first one was slightly delayed, but this is it. I've gone through, I've set up one more, I clicked reuse, I was able to reuse the notification, and here you are, they're popping over. Now this works in all browsers. It'll work in Firefox, it'll work in Chrome, it'll work in Safari from what I can see here as well. It'll work on mobile devices, which is really cool. Now I don't believe it'll work on IE. I think there's an issue with the Internet Explorer when it comes to push notifications. They haven't quite caught up to the technology, but in terms of most people's browsers, almost all of people's browsers will be able to receive these push notifications, and if they don't, they'll still be a subscriber of yours because they subscribed on the second step. So this is what the software does. This is how it allows you to send messages. You can then go and review your campaign. You can see who received it. I could go into my statistics here, and I could actually go ahead and now check where this subscription came from. It came from Russia. Obviously I'm in Russia right now, so we could then also look at the subscriber count. And if you have a WordPress blog, you can actually download the WordPress plugin to make things easy. And one of the biggest advantages, and I've been told by a couple of customers of mine when we launched the push notification software, can you add Shopify apps in? It's a difficult process. It's not easy to do. I can tell you that because I've looked into it. And these guys, what they've done is they've actually installed the ability to add this on Shopify. You can connect this with your Shopify app, which in itself is really, really cool. It'll help to increase your sales. And it reminds me of this dealman.co.nz. They've actually got push notifications on their website, and I know that it's working really well for them because I can see them using them all over the place now. So definitely something that you can use with your e-commerce sites, your Shopify sites as well. So my personal opinion of the software, from after testing it out, after going through it, this is the most complete push notification software we've seen to date. Here we go. And I highly recommend getting access to this. If you don't yet have a push notification software for your clients or your own business, this is one that will give you the ability to have subscribers come on, not only as subscribers in your push notification list, but in your subscriber list. It'll work with Safari, it'll work with email subscribers, Firefox, and Chrome. It has all of the data you would need, and it also gives you the ability to send out messages really quickly and easily, and even write notes on what you've sent out. You can integrate with WordPress, Shopify, very complete solution. And I can also say that they're very committed to the software. Ridderban and Jimmy. Ridderban actually showed me this software months ago, probably about 4 months ago. He showed me this software. I got the chance to test it out back then, and even back then it was good, but they've added in more features, they've added in more to it, and I think you'll really like this software when you get access. So go down below, check out all the different details, the bonuses. It launches quite early. It's at 9 a.m. EST. It'll be available for a discount for a short period of time, and then the price will be increasing. So thanks for listening. This is Sam Becker. I'll talk to you again later. See you.